Hi guys, welcome back to Curls and Inspiration. I'm your girl Kulisha91, and if this is your first time, then welcome to the family. So today I'm going to be talking about how I prep my braiding hair for my jumbo braids. And so let's get into the video. Have you ever put in like a new protective hairstyle with braiding hair and you're feeling like the shit, like you look good, and then a couple of days later your hair is on fire, like your scalp is itching like crazy? If you want to learn how to stop that from happening, then just stay tuned. Okay guys, so today I'll be showing you how I prep my synthetic hair for use so I don't get any of that itching or scalp irritation while I'm wearing my protective hairstyles. Okay, a little bit of background for you guys. So during the manufacturing process of making synthetic hair, especially like Kankelon hair, an alkaline coating is added to the hair, and this coating can cause itching or scalp irritation. That's why sometimes when you use hair straight out of the pack without washing it first, you experience itching or some sort of scalp irritation. So first I'll fill a small bucket of water, and I got this little bucket bowl thingy from the dollar store. And then I'm gonna use apple cider vinegar to neutralize the alkaline coating. Now, apple cider vinegar is a weak acid, and without going into the semantics of weak acids versus strong acids, etc., simple chemistry tells us that an acid with a base, which is alkaline, is a neutralization reaction, and it produces a salt and water, and the salt is dissolved in the water and can be washed away. So now I'm going to add 1 to 2 cups of apple cider vinegar to the water in the bucket, and then place the hair I'm going to use for my braids in the vinegar water. And then I'm going to leave the rubber bands on the hair so it doesn't get tangled and messy during this washing process. And I'll leave the hair to soak for about 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, so after about an hour soaking the hair, you can see that the residue has settled on the top of the water. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that out of the hair and then throw away the water so I can proceed with washing the hair. Besides, I don't think anybody wants to have the hair smelling like vinegar. At least, I don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair. The shampoo I'll be using to wash the braiding hair today is the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Shampoo. I will place some shampoo into the water, and then I'll go ahead and put each bundle into that water, lightly agitate the hair, and then remove the excess soap with my hand. I'll continue that process for each bundle, and then I'll give the hair one more shampoo wash and then rinse the hair out. Next, I'll be using the Cantu Avocado Conditioner to do a conditioner rinse. And you can use any shampoo or conditioner that you have. You don't have to use Cantu. Now, once I've rinsed the hair, I will go ahead and do the conditioner rinse using the same technique as I did with the shampoo. And once I'm done with the conditioner rinse, I will try to remove as much of the water in the hair as possible without getting it tangled or messy. Once I've removed as much of the water as I can possibly remove with my hands, I will go ahead and place the hair on my cutting rods to dry, and the hair dried for me within 24 hours. So after 24 hours, I was able to go ahead and do my jumbo braids.